Hello.
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. How are you doing?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm also good. Thank you very much for asking. So, Ilma, I think this is for the first time that we are meeting together on this
Yes,
platform.
ma'am. This
Yeah.
is first time.
Yes, yes. I'm welcoming you to my session, and my name is Mejabin. I'm from Gujarat State, and today I will be your English Yari tutor.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So,
Love
okay.
to
Yeah.
hear.
Same here, same here. So, it's Ilma Ali, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. That's nice. You're from UP?
Yes, ma'am, I'm from UP, Greater Noida.
Great, Noida. Wonderful. And you're a teacher, right? By profession.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful. So tell me, Ilma, what makes you, I mean, join this platform? Why are you on this platform? For what main reason?
Okay. About English, Yari.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I am here to improve my English because I have seen so many videos of English Yari over social media like Instagram, YouTube, and I always love to watch conversational videos where people interact and they post on their YouTube. So that's our very reviving conversation. And apart from that, I personally love English Yari for Shruti ma'am because I really love her. I just love to see her when she talks, when she upload any video, the way she speaks, the way she articulate her thoughts. So that's why I joined this platform.
Wow, that's really
Other than that, I also have one thing to say. Like the tutors of English Yari are very friendly. They are very welcoming heart, and they know like how they have to make comfortable other. Because until or unless you are not comfortable with someone, you are not having a conversation. You are not able to having a conversation. That is the best part. I have tried so many apps, but that doesn't work for me because the tutors were not very welcoming heard and they didn't make me comforted. So that's why I joined this platform. And it's amazing, I would say.
wow. That's fantastic. Wonderful. That's thank you so much for such a beautiful, feedback, and I just love that. And what is your short-term goal? I mean, within this 1 to 2 months, what do you want to achieve?
Yes, I want to achieve to articulate myself properly because now I can see the difference after having two sessions. I am able to talking properly, and the hesitation has faded away, I would say.
Wow, very
Because
good.
yeah, earlier I was camera conscious. When I see camera, so I was like, I just have to run away from here. Even when I was waiting for you, so like before joining a session, I just get cold feet and I'm like, should I take this session or not, or should I make excuses for myself? Okay, Ilma, the tutor must be busy, let's go from here. But now I'm very comfort.
Right, right, right. Now you're very comfortable, right? Very
Yeah,
good.
yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. So you said you are a teacher. So which school are you in and which subject do you teach?
Yes, ma'am. I teach in Takshla Gurukulam School. I teach English there for the last 2 years.
Since last 2 years. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice, nice. And which grades do you teach?
Okay. Which ways do I teach?
Grades. I mean, which
Okay, I
standards?
yes, ma'am. I teach from grade first to fifth.
First to fifth. Oh, wow. So
Yeah,
you need to
basic
deal
education.
with the tiny tots, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
How nice, how nice. Great, great, great. Wonderful. So you're teaching them English subject, right?
yes, ma'am. Especially English.
Wow, that's nice. So, what about like the scenario about the kids? Obviously, you being the English teacher, you would be explaining to them in English only, or you use bilingual language?
Sometimes I use bilingual, but most of the time I try to speak in English because earlier they are not able to understand me, but now they understand. Even they try to copy my sentence. In the lunch today, actually there's my favorite sentence. Just keep quiet. I think every teacher can relate to that. So my student was trying to copy me, and when in my absence, he was handling class, and he was saying I was just behind the class, and he was saying, okay, class, just keep quiet. Okay, ma'am would be outside.
Uh, how nice, very nice, wonderful. That's really nice. That it's actually depends on the teacher. If the
Yes, ma'am.
teacher really writes to incorporate that no, it's an English class and you need to only speak in English, then only it will motivate the children to speak. They are
Yes, ma'am.
fast learners; they can grab things easily well,
Hmm.
but it depends on the teacher how to guide them, right?
Yes, ma'am. Exactly.
Very true. Wonderful, wonderful. That's really nice. So, are the parents also very much enthusiastic when they come for the PTMs? They tell you that, no, ma'am, you should, look into it that my child only speaks in English.
Sometimes, yeah, they say to us, although it's a local area, like it's a kind of village. So they don't, yeah, it's a kind of village, Bisara. So they don't bring their too much attention for their child. So whatever we have to do, so we just do in the school. If we have to learn them something, so like we have to put efforts from our side. So we don't expect from parents, okay, so like if I'm giving a task to our children, so I would expect, okay, so they will be complete from home. I never expect. I'll be like, if you will complete your homework, it's fine. If you will not complete, so I'm here to help you. I will
Wow,
help you how to do that and all.
very nice. So very few teachers are like you, Ilma.
Yes,
Very nice, wonderful.
and we
And
really need such kind of teachers in our education system.
yes, very
That
much important. Very much. Now
yes,
things have become very professional. Teachers are not having
exactly.
that bond with the children out there, which we used to have. I am talking about my time. We were
Yes,
so much connected. I mean, we could share all the things with our teachers, even though if it is not related to the academics. Now,
yes,
like,
ma'am.
are just money minded. You come,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can see you, and you go away. That's it. That is the
Hmm.
only thing that they are doing, right? But that's
Yeah.
in fact very nice that you are really helping your kids out there. Very nice.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, it also depends to teacher, how they are. Because
Yes.
I have seen so many teachers in my life. Actually, there are some teacher who has left our school. So they will be like, if okay, so our job is 7 to 2. So we will just work within these hours. So they were very I would say they were very conscious about timings, and they
Mm.
will be like, if you have any work to do, so we will do only within these hours. Apart from that, we are not going to do that work, and even we are not going to check your any message in the group.
Oh,
But teaching is not just profession of 6 and 7 hour jobs. I think it's full time job. If you are a teacher, so you can easily relate to that. After return back home, you have multiple tasks to do. You have to make plans for the next day. You have to read books thoroughly and plan for individual child.
yes, true, absolutely. Especially
Mhm.
with the little one, this is more challenging, right?
Yes,
Because
ma'am,
our
especially.
standards are very, very small, just 6 to 7 years
Mm,
of age, right?
yeah,
So again, that is very much challenging whether they're writing properly or not.
not yeah.
That is also important. Yes, yes, yes. As you said, yes, it is not only limited to the school timings, but it is the entire day which takes place that you need to do, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
True, true, true. But I can see from your facial expressions that you're thoroughly enjoying your teaching journey,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Exactly, exactly.
Nice, nice, nice. Very good.
Teaching,
What?
like it, yeah.
Yes, yes. Please continue.
It's not like about ki I am just teaching them. I am only teaching them. Apart from teaching, I am also impart values,
Mm.
other things in them. I am also teaching them, okay, how you have to greet your parents, okay, how you have to eat, what is the
Mm.
right posture to sit in the class, where
Mm.
you have to use good words or bad words, what is good touch, bad touch. So like, there is a very strange thing with my class. There is one students of my class. Her name is Pariniti. So like my name is Ilma. So yesterday she was telling me, ma'am, do you know why your name is Ilma? Then I was like, nahi, I really don't know. Do you know the meaning of my name? Then she said, no, ma'am, but I have a very hidden meaning of your name. Then she said to me, ma'am, you love us like mother. So that's why your name ends with ma.
Oh, wow.
And
My
that was very
goodness.
interesting, yeah.
How nice. See, just such a beautiful thing that she told. I think the
Yes,
best of compliment you would have got this, right?
yes, yes,
Ah, wow. Very nice. Wonderful. So you're a ma of so many kids.
yes, yes, ma'am, exactly.
And Ilma, what is the meaning of Ilma actually?
Ilma means, to learn and to impart learning
Okay.
others.
Oh, wow. So it is from ilm that we are having knowledge.
Yes, ma'am, you are correct. Yeah,
Ah,
knowledge, related to
oh,
knowledge.
wow. That's nice. Wonderful,
Yes, yes,
wonderful. I
ma'am.
just loved your name, Ilma. Wonderful. That's nice.
I also like your name, Mehazbeen.
Yeah.
Actually, one of my friends was in school time, so that when I saw your name, so I remembered her.
Oh, how nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Fantastic. Wonderful, wonderful. That's really great. Okay. So what have you done your graduation in?
Yes, ma'am. I have done BSc. Apart from that, I hold a B.Ed degree and NTT, PTT diplomas in teaching in primary sections. Currently, I'm not pursuing anything. I'm just working on my spoken English to own my English.
Right. Good, good, good. Very nice. So what about the other teachers? Are they able to speak well?
Yes, ma'am. Not that much, but they are also putting their efforts. Like in the school, the thing is, we all teachers have to speak in English. Whether like sometimes we speak wrong, but sometimes we speak correct. So when we are facing any challenge in speaking, so then we try to figure out it. Like most of the time, we try to speak in English in this school.
Okay, very nice, wonderful. So, but I think comparatively, you would be the one because being an English teacher, comparatively, your English would be better.
Yes, yes, yeah. You could say this. Everyone prays for that.
Mm, nice, nice, nice,
Yeah.
nice. Good, good. So, do the children participate in the extracurricular activities like debates or elocutions or something of that sort in your school?
Yes, ma'am. They participate in curricular activities like dance, art and craft, and in cultural activities. They participate.
Mhm. Good, good, good. So they have a good atmosphere, right? With the good
Yeah,
teacher.
yeah. But sometimes it is a struggle for us because apart from teaching, we have to manage all the things at our school,
Right, that
functions
is
and
also,
all.
yeah, right. Annual functions would be there, sports day
Yeah.
would be
Yes,
there,
ma'am.
right? So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
need to do all these things too.
Hmm.
Right, right, right. What about like being a teacher? Obviously, you would be liking to read something. So, what about your favorite books?
Yeah. Well, I am not into reading books, but recently someone gifted me a book, and it was like it happened yesterday. So I read that book recently. Yesterday I had read that book and
Hmm.
almost I completed it. And
Wow.
apart from that, I love
What was the name of the book?
Like It Happened Yesterday,
Oh, like it
written by
happened
Ravinder
yesterday.
Singh.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh.
Yes.
So, what's
Yes.
there in this book? What is it all about?
Actually, it was about. Ma'am, just hold a minute and 1 minute. Just. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Don't be sorry. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So, what is this book all about?
Yeah, it was all about his childhood experience. Like it's all about adolescence, what you feel there, and it's all about all the mischievous which you do in the class, to make your teacher bother. It was all about that.
Oh,
Amazing book, I would say.
great,
Yeah,
great. So, you completed the entire book in one day.
not in 1 day, within 1 week. 1 week.
1 week. Okay.
Yeah, it took 1 week.
That's nice. So, you are an avid reader.
Yeah.
You love reading, right?
Yes.
Uh,
Now I love reading just because of English, because I
okay.
really enjoy it now. Because when
Okay.
I find a new vocabulary and word, so I also enjoy like okay, I'm learning something.
Hmm. So, how do you remember these vocabularies? Do you note down in your word bank?
First, I try to read in general, then I read again, then I read third time to get the context, then fourth time I write them and I make my own sentences. Fifth time I practice them by speaking, then I remember them.
See, so much hard efforts you are actually putting into.
Yes,
Fantastic.
ma'am.
Wonderful.
Because English is not a language for me, it's like my whole career. So, like, if you know English, so you are very intelligent and you can grab opportunities very easily. If you don't know English, so you are dumb, and people will, people will like look, okay, you are nothing, okay, you are not special among others.
Hmm. Right,
And
right.
may I ask something?
Yes, yes, please.
Ma'am, which kind of book do you like fictional or non-fictional?
I
Or are
basically
you into
like,
reading books?
sorry.
Are you into reading books now?
Yes, yes, yes. I basically, like to read the content which is related to our life, like health, nutrition, okay,
Yeah.
self-help books. These are the books which I always enjoy. Right now, I
Yes.
don't have that much time because of the sessions and all, but little content, I make it a point that I read something or
Hmm.
the other every day. Might be small articles from the internet or any news which
Yes.
is there, in my news application. I read that so that at least I'm updated with the current affairs which are taking place. So reading is a must. That is very
Yes,
much
ma'am.
important. And
Yes.
writing also, whenever I feel I got some good thought of the day or some good, thing which I just read in the newspaper, I just note it down so that it is that writing
Amazing,
practice.
amazing.
Otherwise, everything now it's the keypad and all. We rarely write. So that
Yes,
writing also help us to improvise ourselves. And
yes,
it is
ma'am.
always there twice, so you can even review it at the later part of your life. So you
Yes,
enjoy that.
yes, ma'am.
Right.
So do you really enjoy writing?
Yes, I do. I don't write a lot, but at least 3 to 4 lines every day. I feel I should at least write so that I can maintain that
Yeah.
writing part also. Because in
Mhm.
today's scenario, we hardly write anything, right? Everything
Yes,
is on.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I understand. Because when I try to write na, so I'll be like in my okay, just write 1 or 2 line and just keep lost the notebook. And then I try to write other day, then it's like burden to me. So I'm not into writing. But gradually, I just I'm trying to getting into the habit of this.
Good, good, good. Very nice. But you being a teacher, obviously, you need to write the things in and
Yeah.
out. So at least you have that practice, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Right,
exactly.
right, right. What about your favorite food?
Favorite is school.
Food,
Okay,
food.
favorite food. Okay, my favorite food is Indian cuisines. Also, Chinese one like chow mein, momo. Everyone loves it.
Right. Are you able to prepare that well?
Not ma'am, not. I tried once to cook to make momo, but I really don't know what I cooked at that time. It turned out to be worst. And I'm like, I'm not going to cook. It had better to purchase from the market and just keep in my plate and have it.
That's really wonderful.
It took 1 hour to prepare that dish. Actually, one of my friend is Chinese. She's very good at this. She nears behind my house, just like 5 minutes far away. So she cooks very delicious momo, and sometimes she brings in the school. So
Oh,
everyone is fan of her of momo.
nice. That's nice. Wonderful, wonderful. That's really great. So you basically feel that the Indian cuisines are the ones which you can really prepare well, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm very good at that. Within 10 minutes, I can prepare a dish like
Oh,
chole, rajma, egg curry, anything.
wow. That's nice.
Ma'am, do you
Great.
like Indian cuisines or Chinese one?
Both. I mean, I am basically a foodie person. I like most of the things, and I like to prepare also. But yes,
Yes.
momos are the ones I haven't tried. That is, as you said, it's better to order from outside and have it rather than just
Mhm.
do the things which is there. But otherwise, Indian cuisines are comparatively the better ones, which I always enjoy.
Yes, yes. Amazing.
What about your favorite hobby that you always like to do in your free time?
Okay, my favorite hobby is dance.
Oh,
Dance. Whenever I am alone, and also makeup. Makeup is also.
so
Yeah.
you do makeup on your own self?
Yeah, I do
Oh,
my makeup by my own
wow.
when nobody's at home. So I just play loud music and I just wear something special which I haven't wore before that day. Then I apply makeup and I just go in front of the mirror and I just look myself. Okay, Ilma, you are very beautiful, and I start praising myself. Look at your hair, look at your eyes, look at your lips.
How nice. That's
Yeah,
really
so
wonderful.
I really enjoy. Then I dance in front of mirror, so it gives me a kind of a sense of fulfilled. Okay, so now when I feel stressed, so I just go in front of the mirror, speak out, and do dance.
Hmm. Wow, wonderful. That's really nice. It's not sense of fulfill, it's sense of fulfillment.
Sense of fulfillment.
Fulfillment. Yes, yes, absolutely. Good. That's in fact a great thing. I think that would be really giving you some positivity, some
Yeah,
positive
ma'am.
vibes within you, right?
Yes.
Right, right. Wonderful. That's really great. What about the movies? Do you love watching movies, and which is the favorite one?
Yeah. My favorite one is Viva.
Ah,
Indian movie Viva.
same here, even mine.
Oh my God, it's strange.
Beautiful, beautiful movie. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
I
And
never feel bored when I watch.
hmm, very
So
nice.
how many times, ma'am, have you watched that movie,
I
Viva?
don't know. I don't know the number of times that I have watched, but I can like anytime whenever I am free, nobody else is there. I just select this movie and I watch, and I feel as if I am watching it for the first time. I just
Yeah,
get engrossed in it. Such a
yeah,
beautiful movie. Beautiful, beautiful, very nice.
amazing, huh? It's amazing.
Right.
Like whenever you watch this movie, so you never feel I have watched it before it. It's like
Mhm.
it's a new movie and a new emotions, and you are connecting with the this.
Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. Very nice. Yes, that's really great. So, Ilma, what about your favorite actor?
My favorite actor, actually actress.
Anything, anything.
I think okay, Priyanka Chopra.
Oh,
Chopra.
that's nice. Good, good, good. So, if
Yeah,
Priyanka Chopra is your favorite, you can start watching her podcast. They are
yeah.
very
I
good.
watch. Even I do. Yeah, even I do shadowing practice.
Ah,
I had
yes.
videos.
That's really nice. So shadowing practice will really help you very much, Ilma, because that
Yes,
will help you in your fluency, in your voice modulation, in your pace, and obviously vocabulary.
yes,
Because the
ma'am.
vocab that they are using, the way confidently they are expressing, even Shushmita Sen, Priyanka Chopra,
Yes,
Deepika
ma'am.
Padukone, these are the ones which are really very good. So you can really work on that. Okay. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
But above all, I was really very happy, Ilma. The energy that you are having, that is really superb. Because that also make me feel that I should keep on talking with Ilma and the session do not get over, and it was so much energetic and so much
Thank you, ma'am.
positive vibes I could actually
Pleasure
feel.
to have a session with you.
It was very lovely. I just enjoyed the entire session. Everything is well placed. You're able to express elaboratively, which is in fact a very good sign of a good communicator. Okay. Another important thing which I would like to say is now you can work on some advanced vocabulary. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Hello. Yeah, you can work now on advanced vocab. Okay, because you already are able to express yourself well. So one word a day, whatever vocab you have already had in your word bank, try to decide in the morning that today I will be using these two new words in my day-to-day conversation.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that will really make your content in a very advanced way. Shadowing technique you already are doing. Reading you already have the good habit of reading. So everything is
Yes,
well placed. Okay. As you said, you dance in front of the mirror whenever you are free. Along with
yes,
that, you can also try to think of any topic and do mirror talking.
yeah.
Think
I
of
do,
any
ma'am.
you do that perfectly.
Yes,
Everything is well placed. You're really doing great job, Ilma, and really
yes.
hope to see you soon in another sessions. Till then, it was a wonderful session. I thoroughly enjoyed very much. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Same here, same here. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day ahead and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Bye bye. See ya.